Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Fatimah Ilma Khairani. You can call me Fatimah. I'm 15 years old. I'm a student of ninth grade, specifically in Class D at MTSN 16 Jakarta. Now, I will show you how to make caramel cheese toast. Check it out. The tools we need are pan fry, a bowl, a plate, and a spoon. And the ingredients we need are sliced bread, melted cheese. You can use sliced cheese, grated cheese, or mozzarella cheese, up to you. 2 tablespoons of white sugar, you can use brown sugar too, and 1 tablespoon of margarine. First, pour 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of margarine into a bowl. Then, stir until evenly mixed.
让好心情一整天都持续。阳光下奔跑，可爱的小狗躲在谁身后？蚂蚁微笑着打个喷嚏，吹走天空。远处摇曳斑驳树影，随着风点头。
Second, take 2 sliced bread and spread margarine generously on one side of the bread slice.
思绪清空，就忘记一切，忘了出发，忘了抵达。
On the opposite side, add your melted cheese.
想做只萤火虫，将去买地基，沿着小径分叉的。
Then, place the bread into a non-stick frying pan over low to medium heat, buttered side down.
化身为麋鹿，一起去海底寻找珊瑚。这奇妙的世界充满幻想。
Cook slowly until the buttered side is golden brown and crispy, ensuring the sugar on top melts and turns into a caramel crust. Last step, remove from the pan and slice it.